Nito. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Violys TV, and thank you very much for always watching my videos. And for today's video guys, we're going to see or visit the garden of our friend Mitch Hitomi. So let's go. Oh my god, I see something beautiful. Oh my god, ang ganda. I love it. From the entrance, oh, you see the entrance? Oh my goodness, ang ganda, so gorgeous. I love it, also amazing. Gosh, ang ganda. Oh my god. And the pots, wow, talagang, alam mo yun, super effort. And the garden, I love the roof, the arrangement, the idea of her garden is so good. She's so talented. I'm proud of you, my friend. Very good, so nice.
Maganda yung puti. Kasi hindi gaano ng
araw. Agam ba yun?
Oo,
Hindi masusunog pag natsu. Ngayon malamig, saktong-sakto. Very good ate. Tapos may paganito siya. May sinasabi siya sa akin, hindi ko maintindihan.
Hindi tulog ng G2G. Ngayon ako. Sabi niya. Talagang ito lang talaga. Kalkal ka lang ng kalkal. Napag-usapan din namin yung usap ka.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Talaga.
Kapag sa may, magkikitan pa naman tayo ng bilang isang plantita, ano yung mga struggle yung napagdaanan mo at yung success?
Apre sa una, andyan syempre yung budget. Kasama yan di ba? Ngayon, inaano ko sa sarili ko na konting budget at price ko para sa pagod ko ng buwan na to. Kaya kailangan, meron ako makikita yung laad ko sa garden ko. Buwan-buwan. Tapos yun lang, ang disadvantage yung medyo nakakapagod. Pero more yung saya.
More on saya.
Ayaw.
I was waiting till the sky was falling, and my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this. I was waiting till the sky was falling, and my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you wake me with a kiss like this.
Thank you guys for watching, and thank you Sis Mitch for showing us your garden. See you next time. Bye!